All right, guys, so welcome back. Thank you for hanging out, spending a few moments here with me. A whole bunch of people have been wondering how much horsepower and torque this thing is making, and really that has led me to contact the tuner, see what his availability is. It sounds like late August he has an open day to get this thing up on the dyno. He's going to dyno tune it. Right now we've been trading emails back and forth remotely, getting this thing to drive nice, and it actually the drivability is amazing. You know, I don't really want to push it too hard without it being dyno tuned, so that's exactly what's going to happen. Now we have to head over to RZT today, and you know, they're going to put some final touches onto this charger so that we can get it up on the dyno, and the tuner has everything that they need. With that being said, guys, let's get into it. Getting a couple of things buttoned up with the charger, and really the big thing that we're going to be doing is getting the boost gauge going. Now I have my air fuel ratio down here, the gauge, and what I'm finding out is that when I'm driving I really can't monitor the air fuel. So I think what we're going to do is, with the boost gauge, I'm going to have either it here or somewhere that's a little bit more visible. This way when I'm driving I can monitor the air fuel and the boost level appropriately. So my T2 will get shifted over. We'll get a couple of gauges, hopefully like right there. I also adjusted the exhaust tips so it's not bumping into the diffuser. So a lot of little things. We're also ordering a catch can that has a breather on it. All right, so I took it for a test spin. Everything looks like it's working great. The new catch can with the breather is looking good. The new boost gauge is working perfect. There's a couple other things that we're gonna do, but all in all, man, I mean, I can't complain. Huge shout out to RZT. It's fun. I finally got this thing into boost. Tuner said give it a try. I did it. Very fun. I'm gonna send him the data logs and see what he says, you know. I mean, it feels like it's running smooth. It's just, you know, again, I don't want to do it too fast. There's a lot of money tied into this thing. Taking it nice and slow, but man, is that fun.